Am I wrong for telling my girlfriend to just stop freaking eating? So far, it sounds like it, but let's hear the story and give him the benefit of the doubt. Okay. My male 26, sister, female 23, runs a bakery business, and she's been struggling lately to keep up with orders because she's been short-staffed. She does a lot of orders for wedding cakes that require custard or marmalade fillings, and I offer to help her out by making these fillings at home and bringing them to her so that she has less work to do. Unfortunately, the past 4 times that I've made these fillings, my girlfriend, female 24, has literally dipped her fingers into the filling jars and contaminated them because, in her words, she just wanted to try some. I've tried explaining to her that she can't dip her fingers in and contaminate the entire batch. Every time she does that, then I have to remake it. I told her that she needs to just use a spoon and take some if she wants to try it that bad. But then she'll just pout and say that she likes licking her fingers because it takes her back to her childhood. Oh my God, really? Like, okay. Today, I was trying to finish some chocolate custard to send over to my sister really fast because she was running late on a wedding cake order. And apparently, it was a very important client. I made sure to tell my girlfriend beforehand to not eat the custard, and if she really wanted to please just use a spoon. I got out of the shower, and what do I see? She has her fingers in it again. I totally lost it because this is the 5th time that she blatantly disregarded what I said. So I yelled at her to stop effing eating the food that I'm making because it's not for her and she's contaminating it. She started crying and got mad at me for fat shaming her, even though I made no comment on her weight. And she has no history of weight issues or eating disorders. I know I was harsh, but she kept pushing my limits. Am I wrong? No, you're not wrong. Oh my gosh, this lady sounds so immature. So immature. He literally said that she could still try it if she got a spoon. Like, don't get me wrong. I like some custard. I like some icing like the next girl. But come on, why are you sticking your fingers in it like you're a kid? Grow up. Definitely not the asshole. You guys let me know what you think, but this story was super annoying to me. Also guys, as usual, I want you to let me know what you think about my newest zodiac jar. This one was for a Pisces customer. She wanted light pink, light purple, and white. And I think this one came out so pretty, guys. I added the white lights to it, and it just has such a dreamy look to it. So rate this from 1 to 10 and let me know what you guys think. As usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.